Now we are going to learn les articles contract avec a. So, do you remember the definite articles that we learnt? Yes, they were le, la, l apostrophe and le. Now, when a is added to one of these definite articles, shall we see how it is changing? So first, let us take, do you remember what is a? It is a preposition of place. Now, a, when you add it with la is the definite article that comes before a noun, that is masculine singular. So, a plus la, we would write it as o. Okay, so kindly note this down. A plus la, we would write it as o. When a is added with la, we write it as ala. Ala. When a is added with l apostrophe also, there is no change. We write it as a, l apostrophe and whatever now. When a is added with le, do you remember the word le? Le is the definite article for a noun that is in the plural form. For a plus le, we would write o. Do you remember this word? We used it for this means at or in or to. So, Eta uni means the United States. So, it is a plus le. When a, we will not write a le. This is wrong. A and le come together, it becomes o. So, the correct expression would be to write o. So, do you understand the use of this? So, let us form a simple sentence. How do we say we go to? Let us take the United States. We go. Do you remember the subject pronoun we? What did we say for we? It is nu. So, nu. We are in the United States. So, are. Do you remember the être conjugation? Yes, I hope you remember it. And for nu, what is the être conjugation? It is sont. Nous sommes. Do you remember this? Nous sommes. We are. So now we are at the United States, we want to say. So when a and le come together, it becomes o. O États-Unis. So it is very easy, isn't it? Just 4 simple rules. When the preposition a comes before the definite articles, there are some small changes. When a is followed by l, a plus l, it becomes o. So, if a and l join, becomes o. When a is followed by la, it remains the same, a, la. Then, when a is followed by l apostrophe, it remains the same. Now, when a is followed by le, which is the plural, it becomes o. So, a plus le gives you o. These are the 4 simple rules using the preposition of place and the noun. So, I hope you understood this concept.